Hello everyone. Welcome to Mr. English Daily Fun. Today we will practice slow English. We will improve your listening skills. Step by step, day by day, take a deep breath, relax your body, clear your mind. Are you ready? Let's begin. Part 1. Why slow English helps. Slow English is good for beginners. When English is slow, you can hear every word. You can understand better. You can learn faster. Do not rush. Slow practice is strong practice. Part 2. Listen carefully. Now just listen. I wake up early. I open the window. The air is fresh. I feel calm. Listen again. I wake up early. I open the window. Good. Your ears are training. Part 3. Listen and repeat. Now repeat after me. I wake up early. Pause. I feel calm. Pause. Speak clearly. Speak slowly. Very good. Part 4. Understanding meaning. Now answer these questions. What do I open? Pause. The window. How do I feel? Pause. Calm. Listening means understanding. Always ask yourself, what is happening? Who is speaking? What are they doing? Daily conversation. Listen to this short conversation. A. What are you doing? B. I am studying English. A. Why are you studying? B. Because I want to improve. Now repeat. What are you doing? Pause. I am studying English. Pause. Excellent. Far. Part 6. Daily life practice. Listen. I go to work at 8 a.m. I eat lunch at noon. I finish work at 5 p.m. I go home and relax. Now answer. What time do I go to work? Pause. 8 a.m. What do I do at home? Pause. Relax. Very good. Fast talk. Part 7. Vocabulary practice. Today's words. Practice, improve, understand, repeat, focus, listen to examples. I practice every day. I want to improve my English. I understand more now. I repeat. Each sentence. I focus on the sound. Now repeat. I practice every day. Pause. I repeat each sentence. Pause. Good job. Part 8. Short listening story. Listen carefully. Emma wants to speak English well. She listens to slow English every day. She repeats after the speaker. She practices for 10 minutes. Now she understands more. She feels happy and confident. Why does Emma improve? Because she practices daily. You can do this too. Part 9. Your daily plan. Here is your simple plan. Listen once, listen again, slowly, repeat aloud, answer simple questions, speak for 1 minute. Do this every day. Small practice, big improvement. Outro, calm voice. You are improving. You are building strong listening skills. Keep going, keep practicing. Thank you for listening to Mr. English Daily Fun. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.